back here for my help. And one day you took me out to sea.